What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these leopard print. I think they're a little Sanrio, but it's only the one now, so I wouldn't really consider it all Sanrio. But first I'm going to be going in on the nails that I paint the French tip with my base coat, and then going in and making the French tips. I was also out sick for all of last week, so the video that I put out, I didn't make a part 2 because I couldn't. And also, if you want to see the other tutorial on how I did the brown leopard print, then you can go over to my TikTok, and that's at the beginning and the end of every video of mine. Here's the first base nail, and you just start off with the lighter color, and then make the shapes of what the leopard print you want it to be. And then you're going to go in with the darker color and put the darker color in the middle of that shape until it looks the way, the leopard print pattern would look. I always do my French tip starting out with a line and then doing the arches on each of the left and right sides, so then I can get the next nail and then hold it side by side and just make them pretty even. start off with the nose, and then I made the eye and then the star. I think it's the star for this snail. And then the whiskers. This was probably my second attempt on this because I think I made it like too disproportional and it didn't really look right. So I just wiped it all off. It's always the whiskers that I have trouble with. I can't get them even. Here's the part where I make the bow with the lighter pink for the bows and then the darker pink for the middle part. And then I do go in a minute and put some rhinestones on the nails just to give it a little extra, you know. Here's the final look at the nails. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!